Good afternoon, class. Today we'll be talking about binary operation. Binary operation. So, a binary operation is an operation on two elements of a set to produce another element. So we have evaluation of binary operations. Evaluations on binary operations. So we have our example. Number 1, a binary operation is defined over asterisk as x asterisk y, x plus y plus 1. Find a 2 asterisk 3, b minus 1 asterisk 3 asterisk 4, then c minus 1 asterisk 3 asterisk 4. So number 2, a binary operation is defined over asterisk and theta as p asterisk q 2p plus q and p theta q equals to pq. Find a 2 asterisk 3 theta 4, then b 2 theta 3 asterisk 4, then c 1 asterisk 3 theta 2 asterisk 1. So number 3, if p asterisk q equals to p plus q plus 1, find x given that x asterisk 2 equals to 3 asterisk 4. So we are going to work on the solutions. So we have solutions. Yes, we have solutions. Number 1, we have x asterisk y equals to x plus y plus 1. So the first question says 2 asterisk what? 3. So for 2 asterisk 3, here is x asterisk y. So it means anywhere we see x, we put 2 and y, we put 3. Then it becomes 2 plus 3 plus 1. Here is 6. So 2 asterisk 3 becomes 6. 2 asterisk 3 is 6. That is our answer. Then b we have minus 1 asterisk 3 asterisk 4. So firstly 3 asterisk 4. Here is x and here is y. So here will be 3 plus 4 plus 1, which is 8. Then lastly, so it will be minus 1 asterisk what? 8, which is minus 1. Here is x and here is y. Minus 1 plus y will now become 8 plus 1. So we now have 8. So therefore, minus 1 asterisk 3 asterisk 4 becomes 8. So let's look at C. We have minus 1 asterisk 3 asterisk 4. So firstly, we solve for the bracket. minus 1 asterisk 3. So minus 1 asterisk 3, this will be x asterisk y. So here will be minus 1 plus 3 plus 1, which is 3. Then lastly, 3 asterisk 4. Here is x asterisk y. So anyway, we see x, we put 3 and y we put 1. So here become 3 plus 4 plus 1. So here is equals to what? 8. So we now say therefore minus 1 asterisk 3 asterisk 4 equals to what? 8. Equals to 8. So we are going to look at number 2. Yes, we are going to look at number 2. Let's look at number 2. We're going to look at number 2 of the question. So number 2 said that P asterisk Q equal to P asterisk Q 2P plus Q and P theta Q equals to PQ. So the first question, a question said that we should find 2 asterisk 3 theta 4. So first of all look for, so we say firstly 3 theta 4. So here is x theta y. So here is P theta Q. We substitute it into the theta equation. So here become 3 bracket 4, which is 12. So lastly, comma, it will now be 2 asterisk 12. So we substitute this into the asterisk equation, become 2 into 2 plus 12, which is 4 plus 12, which is 16. So therefore 2 asterisk 3 theta 4 equals to 16. So B, yes, B, we have 2 theta 3 asterisk 4. So first of all solve for the brackets. So we say firstly 2 theta 3. So here is x, here is P, and here is Q. So we substitute it into the theta equation. So here it becomes 2 into 3, which is 6. So lastly 6 asterisk 4. So 6 asterisk 4, we substitute into the asterisk equation. So here will give us P asterisk Q. So here will give us into the asterisk equation becomes 6 plus 4 plus 1, which is 11. So we say therefore 2 theta 3 asterisk 4 equals to what? 11. So we are going to look at C part of the question. Yes, we are going to look at C part of the question. So C part of the question said that we should look for, C is 1 asterisk 3 theta 2 asterisk 1. So firstly 1 asterisk 3. So this is P asterisk Q. So we substitute it into the asterisk equation. So we have 2 into 1 plus 3, which is 2 plus 3, which is 5. Then secondly, comma, 2 asterisk 1. This is P asterisk Q. 2 into 2 plus 1, which is 4 plus 1, which is 5. So lastly, comma, we'll now solve for 5 theta 5. So this is 5 into 5, which is 25. Therefore 1 asterisk 3 theta 2 asterisk 1 is equals to 25. So we are going to solve the last example, number 3. Number 3 says that if P asterisk Q equals to P plus Q plus 1, then x asterisk 2. Here is p asterisk q. There will be x plus 2 plus 1, which is s plus 3. Then 3 asterisk 4 will be p asterisk q. 3 plus 4 plus 1, which is 8. Therefore, we say that p asterisk q, p plus 1, q plus 1, so x asterisk 2 will be equals to s plus 2 plus 1, so which is s plus 3. So p asterisk 3 asterisk 4 will be 3 plus 4 plus 1. So therefore s asterisk 2 equals to 3 asterisk 4. So for x asterisk 2, we have x plus 3 equals to 8. Collect like 10, s equals to 8. S equals to 8 minus 3. So s equals to 5. So what we did here, let's come back. We say that here is x asterisk 2 equals to 3 asterisk 4. So x asterisk 2 is s plus 3, while 3 asterisk 4 is 3 plus 4 plus 1, which is 8. So we now equate them to become x plus 3 equals to 8. Collect like 10, we have 5. So thank you very much. We'll continue in our next video.